You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to simply show you how to verify your age on Character.AI step-by-step tutorial. So I'm going to show you a simple way you can actually do this. A lot of people are actually having problem with verifying their age on Character.AI, which I'm going to be showing you on this video. So right here is the homepage of my Character.AI. The steps are actually the same both on the app and the web version. So you can actually go to your profile like this. This is the first step you need to take. Go to your profile like this. You can see that profile option at the bottom of the screen. So when you click on that, it is going to direct you to this section. So right here you can see edit profile, you can see share profile. Looking right here as well, you can see the gear icon right there. If you click on it like this, it is going to direct you to your settings on your Character.AI app. So right here, you just need to go ahead and click on advanced. You can see that right here, you can see advanced. So go ahead and click on advanced like this, and you're going to be able to see the option of verify age. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that like this. So right here it says your journey starts here. So looking right here it says begin verifying. So you need to go ahead and click on begin verifying like this. So looking right here you can see let's make sure it's really you. So you need to go ahead and click on get started. Then go ahead and click on allow while visiting the site. Now once you click on that, it is actually going to allow your camera to be able to capture your face. So you need to go ahead and center your face on the screen like this. It says move slightly left. You can actually move slightly left like this. So right here it says which country issued your ID. So you need to go ahead and click on this country right here and select your country. So a lot of people don't want to actually do this because this actually involves their personal information. But it's actually good that you do it. So right here you just need to go ahead and look for your country. So I'm going to look for my country like this and click on select. Now looking right here it says government ID. Looking right here it says take a clear photo of the front of your government ID. You can see that right here. So you just need to go ahead and click on the camera icon and capture your government ID. So once you're done capturing your ID like this, you can then go ahead and click on use this photo. So once you're done capturing the back of the ID, you can now go ahead and click on use this photo like this. So looking right here on the screen, you can see where it says processing ID. Please wait as we process your upload. This may take few seconds. So it says here everything looks perfect. Please complete the process with chat. So looking right here, you can see what it says here. We verified your age. Thanks for verifying your age. You now have full access to Character.AI, including one-on-one chats. So you can now go ahead and click on close like this. So once you do this, you've been able to verify your age on Character.AI. This is actually the step you need in order for you to be able to verify your age on Character.AI. If you're unable to do this, just tell me in the comment section and I'm going to make another video to explain again for you. So guys, do it, hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel on Ask Daniel Fix. See you in the next one.